So as I stated from the earlier video which I posted earlier before this one, we would now want to do the actual coding. So here we will double click the button to go to the actual form where you have to code the button. So the button that I've double clicked is that add what button. So to change, you go to VB. If you click, it will go to the back end where you can program your button. If you click back to design, you see your graphical user interface. So for example, let's start by this add button. So this button, for it to work, the user will have to first capture the data in text box 1 and 2, so that if he or she clicks add, our computer will take the variable that is inserted in the num box 1 and add it to the num box that is added in text box for num2, then display the answer in that read only text box, this one which we're talking about. So firstly, the first thing when programming is to declare your variables. Declaring your variables. So here we've got two variables that I'm going to use: num1, which is the text box for capturing the first number that is to be inserted by the user, and num2, which is to be inserted also by the user. So here we have to write dim, which is the shortcut for declaring dim, a probably comma b is integers. Then after that, now we have to say there's an error. Let's see, change integers, or it's a typo, it's integer. Then now there's a green line. The green line shows that you have declared your variables, but they haven't yet been initialized. So now it's the process to initialize. A is equals to we've said it's num1. If you can see here, due to the features of this IDE, if you write a variable that have been created as an object in this form, it will highlight to you that object. So here we are back, it's num1 dot text, showing that this is a text box. Then you click enter. As you can see, now A is no longer and highlighted by a green line. Now it's B. B is equals to num2 dot text. We have finished declaring and initializing our variables. Now what we have to do is to say our answer. We want to show our answer in that text box, which is the only which I wrote, and we can now say answer dot text is equals to A plus B. Let's try to debug our application. Let's put, for example, 12 and put here 10. Then let's add. You see, as you can see, our answer is now displayed in the read only text box. Oh, my laptop battery is about to die. This read only text box. As you can see, I'm trying to type something here in this text box, but it can't capture anything because it's a read only. So this is how you design an application that can add, subtract, or multiply two numbers. So we have now to say, after